Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your personal information in the Civitatis application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the top of the page, click on the My Personal Data button. And as you can see, you can set your name, last names. You can add the phone number, an email address. You can set your date of birth. You can even add your Instagram user name, and you can add your city and your country, and you can also change your password. So for that you have to type in your current password first, and then you have to give the new password and then repeat that new password. And once you're ready with everything, just click on the Save Changes button and your personal data is updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.